And as Skylar was saying, yeah, the first thing you want to do is look at what you know about these radiuses that are not pre-drawn. We're trying to find the length of BD, which is this segment here. We're just given the radius is broken into two parts. One part is 1 unit, one part is 3 units. And then the new contribution is to remember I can draw, I'm only going to draw one of them for now. That length on there. How long is that? 4. The radius is 4, 3 plus 1. So this must be 4. And that's what most students do, is they go, oh yeah, see the radius is 3 because here's a line that starts at the center of the circle and it goes somewhere and it's labeled 3. But no, it's 4 because it's 3 to get to here and then 1 more to actually get to the edge of the circle. So the radius is 4. And the rule we had was the radius, if it bisects the chord, it bisects it at a right angle. So I know I'm looking at a right triangle that I can then solve. And I probably should have, for this problem, let's start off by adding this as part of the problem. So I'm going to note that E, as part of this, E is the midpoint of BD. I didn't put that when I started, and I should have, because without that, you really can't do the problem. I can show you why later. But you do need a little bit more than just here's a chord and here's the radius. You do need to know it's either at a right angle or that it bisects it, one of those two. And then that's what does let me then do everything else. So now that I've got my right angle here, I'm solving this right triangle. So it's 3 here, it's 4 here, there's x here. So 3 squared plus x squared is 4 squared. So 9 plus x squared is 16. X squared is 7. And x is the square root of 7. Is that how long BD is? No, times it by 2. I know that this length is root 7. This is also root 7. So my final answer for BD is twice root 7, which is a perfectly acceptable answer all by itself. Square root of 7 times 2. So you can leave it in radical form. Now if you want to go a step further and turn it into a decimal, take the square root of 7, multiply by 2, and I get 5.3. There we go. 5.291. Let's write 5.29. Round to the nearest hundredth. Larry, what's up?
Can you go to the previous slide for a second?
Yeah.